I'm Jaising HTK and I warmly welcome you all. Today, me and my fellow members are going to present you about an alternative solution for lunch sheet. Currently, the world is destroying due to the usage of polythene. This is, of course, due to the main reason where polythene doesn't decompose. So, as human, we should minimize the usage of polythene in order to save the world. Nowadays, as people are so much busy with their jobs, they have less time to think about their meals. So they use food packaging materials such as lunch sheet to transport food with them. But using such material is harmful for environment and even to human. So we came up with a solution for lunch sheet. First, I will talk about the ingredients of the existing product. As you can see, there are 5 ingredients to manufacture polythene: polyvinyl chloride, polythene, ethene, petroleum, and natural gas. All of these are non-renewable materials. From them, 20 to 30% of polythene contain polyvinyl chloride. That's why the rate of decomposition of polythene is very low. Now I'll pass my colleague Akila to continue on. Thank you.
Thank you, Srehan. I am Disanayaka DMAH. This session, I explain the properties of the lunch sheet. First one is elasticity. Polythene has the ability to withstand a load and return to its original shape without deformation. Second one is tensile strength. Third one is resistant to temperature. I think this is the one of the main point in lunch sheet properties. Lunch sheet has ability to hold warm and every cold from certain period and it can resist. Fourth one is hardness. During the usage of the product, it has the ability to hold for a certain time period without dragging. Fifth one is low density. Consider of the less density due to its branch structure and lightweight. Next page. Here we focus to how it made. This figure 1 show the manufacture process, and first we added to polythene to manufacture process, and we perform the step-by-step manufacture process and get the final result. Final result is lunch sheet. And next I invite to the Induvara. Thank you.
Thank you, Akila. I am Bandara RRGID. Next, we hope to make you aware of interesting site that is about the uses of application of polythene. Here, we have brought a picture of a use of lunch sheet, and we have discussed the particular topic under 3 main subtitles. Those are as follows: firstly, food packaging; secondly, medical use; and thirdly, special uses. Now let us concern about the first subtitle. As I mentioned earlier, hereby polythene acts a special task in food packaging. Actually, it is necessary to wrap collective foods, to pack for transportation, and also as an easy media to store foods. If we think about the health sector, we can use polythene as a first deep dressing that can burn. Here are some special uses of polythene. It is helpful to wrap electric equipments. For example, to protect mobile phones from getting them wet. Now let's go to the next slide. Here I am going to talk about the problem arise with the product. First stage is extraction of raw materials, and problems are destroying the nature landscapes, resources depletion, economical wastage, and health issues. Stage 2 is manufacturing process of product, and problems are reduction of oil and gases, releasing harmful gases to atmosphere, 3 to 4% of energy used for manufacture, causing chronic diseases. The stage 1 before the last is application of the product, and the problems we have identified are can occur disease like skin diseases, liver damages, and cancers. The last stage is the discharge of the product, and the problems overcome due to this are decompose rate is low, damage fish stocks, can affect for the tourism, and damage animal kingdom. so we can get an idea about the problems of lunch sheet. Now I would like to hand over rest of the presentation to Siranjit. Thank you.
Thank you, Dura. Now I talk about alternatives for problem. We have four problem. If we talking about the first problem, it is alternative for compostable, minimizing the use of non-renewable material, minimizing the harmful material, mixing it with our previous problem, which are addressed by the solution. The alternative solution is 100% biodegradable products such as mushroom root lunchbox, palm leaf, and gas lunchbox. Second problem is alternative for low energy consumption in production, minimizing the use of energy to create harmful product are the previous problem, which are addressed by the solution. The alternative solution is using natural resources product as alternative. For example, consider palm leaf and banana leaf. Our third problem is alternative for low emission of uh, poison gases, minimizing the amount of CO2 and other harmful gases exceeding the atmosphere are the previous problem, which are addressed by the solution. The alternative solution is using eco-friendly products such as palm leaf, banana leaf, bigger lunchbox, and mushroom lunchbox. So this is our last problem. Alternative for low cost in product, minimizing the cost that we use to create harmful product are the previous problem, which are addressed by the solution. Alternative solution is use of natural resources extreme such as palm leaf, banana leaf, which is need low cost for production. So I am go to the next slide. Proposed alternative. Now let's focus on why palm leaf can replace lunch sheet. Uh, Same mechanical properties as lunch sheet. For example, tensile strength, hardness. Furthermore, palm leaf are 100% biodegradable. Not only that, low energy for manufacturing and low cost. The most important thing is emission of poison gases is very low. So I invite to Sudham to the continuing session. Thank you.
Thank you, Siranjit. I am Fernando Lesar. Now let me do the discussion part of the presentation. Nowadays, the whole world is threatened by artificial, harmful substances like polythene and other subproducts by LDPE. Really, these kind of things should be minimized, especially in food packaging and food preservation. 100% biodegradable should be used instead of lunch sheets or LDPE products. And also, the other most significant thing is using natural resources. It should not be cause any kind of damage to the world or human beings. It is apparent that all should be aware of the adverse effect of that. I would like to know that the other vital fact is that usage of palm leaf fiber, which is 100% biodegradable products, we should take every effort to use some such products as substitute for sun sheets. So let's move on to the next slide. Uh, Now we have come to the conclusion part of our presentation. Here you can see our views. The worst thing is that the usage of lunch sheets affects economically, environmentally, and socially to the mankind. The next option is that they are mainly used for food packaging and food preservation, which is more harmful to the human body. Let me emphasize the fact that only solution for this grave problem is use 100% biodegradable products such as natural resource products. Also, I would like to point out that the palm leaf has similar properties like lunch sheets, and remarkably, they are 100% decomposable and they won't be any reason in environmental pollution. And the other invaluable benefit is that it is requires low cost and low energy. It is easy for the pocket too. In this way, I would like to conclude that the best alternative for lunch sheet is using palm leaf fiber products instead of polythene, which cause serious adverse effect to the earth. That's all. Thank you.